Hi everyone, Tom Moffat here. Welcome to BUS 140 Business Communications. I'll be your instructor for the course. In this course, we'll be studying some of the traditional methods of business communications like letters and memos. We'll also get some practice using some of the newer tools like blogs and web conferencing. We'll work on a team project to get experience using skills that you will use in your professional work. Overall, the goal is to identify and improve on business communication skills that are important for the 21st century work environment. This course is part of the Auto Access program at Ozarks Tech. You can access the digital content for the course through Canvas on the first day of class automatically. Well, when you log in, the first thing you're going to see is the home page, which you see here. I encourage you to take some time to explore each of the menu items in the left navigation column, especially as this is your first online class. Pay special attention to announcements and modules and the discussion navigation link. I make lots of announcements, so please check the announcements on a regular basis, at least 3 to 4 times each week. So let's take a look at the modules page for just a minute. At the very top of the modules page, you'll see the course schedule. When you open the course schedule, you'll see that the assignments are separated by module. Here you see Module 1, Module 2, Module 3. There are 15 modules for the class, and then there's week 16 also. Each module has a due date. Each assignment in the module has a due date, and the points for that assignment that are associated here you can see on the right column. For example, in Module 1, it begins with the introduction discussion. The initial post is due on January 16th, and then the replies are due on January 19th. Next, you see the FAIR tests, or the 1.3 establishing credibility discussion. Again, the initial post is on Thursday, January 16th, and the replies are due on Sunday, January 19th. The 1.4 FAIR test assignment is also due on January 19th. Module 2 has 3 assignments. You see the 2.2 Southwest discussion assignment is due on Thursday, January 23rd, and then the replies are due on Sunday, January 26th. The 2.3 and 2.4 assignments are due on Sunday, January 26th also. There are several Connect assignments throughout the course, and I'll have more to say about Connect in just a minute. But this is typically what the course schedule looks like. Please pay attention, special attention, to the due dates. Because of the midterm and the final exam due dates, the days of the week that the assignments are due will vary. Typically, initial posts are due for discussion assignments are due on Thursday, and then the remaining assignments are due on Sunday, but this is not always the case. Ozarks Tech policy requires at least one proctored event for each course. Let's go back to the modules page, and I'm going to scroll down to Module 4. In this class, the 4.4 proctored quiz is the proctored event for the class. You'll have a week to complete the proctored quiz. And if you're not familiar with proctoring requirements, please open this link above where it says proctoring requirements and review what those are. Now to access Connect assignments, you just click on the link. For example here, 2.4 Connect quiz, just click on the link and it will take you to that assignment. Now if this is your first time to use Connect, you might be prompted to set up an account. And if you are, please use your Ozarks Tech email address, and that way any class that you use Connect for, you'll have the account set up. There's additional information about Connect further up. Getting started with Connect, there's some videos in here that will help you, will explain what Connect is about. If you have technical issues with Connect, you can click on the Connect support link. There's a link here. If you open this link, it will show you have three options to contact Connect support. You can use email, you can do a live chat, or you can do phone. Personally, I prefer the phone, but these others are available to you also. I can tell you again from experience, Connect support is really outstanding, and they will issue you a case number if you should have to call them. And please refer to that, and that way, if there's additional problems or another student has a similar problem, it's much easier uh, to resolve that issue. Please post any questions about the course to the Student Commons Forum. If you go to Discussions, at the very top of the Discussions page is Student Commons. Click on Student Commons, click Reply, enter your questions, and then you'll have a Post button that appears. We use Student Commons so that if another student has a similar question, they can get an answer to that question from this area in the discussions forum. And sometimes, if you have a question, students know the answer, they can get back to you more quickly than what I might be able to. So it works very well to resolve any questions that you might have about the course. If you have questions of a personal nature, such as grades, please contact me via Ozarks Tech email. That's MOFFITTC at otc.edu. Again, please use your Ozarks Tech email address for any messages that you might send to me. The filters are set up so that Ozarks Tech email is often the only messages that gets through. If you use some other email account, I might not see the message. You should also know that online office hours are available. That's by request. If you go back to the home page, go all the way to the bottom of the home page, you'll see a link here that says BUS 140 online office hours. Just let me know that you'd like to get together during office hours. We'll set up a date and time, which is convenient for both of us, and then we'll use this link uh, to get together for office hours. Well, that's enough to get us started. I look forward to meeting all of you, and I will see you online.